Imagine waking up to a world where your coffee brews itself just as you like it. Your car knows the quickest route to work, avoiding all traffic. And your doctor can predict health issues before they manifest. Sounds like science fiction? Well, not anymore. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making this futuristic vision a reality today. From the moment you ask your smart speaker for the weather forecast to the security systems that recognize your face as you return home, AI is deeply embedded in the fabric of our everyday lives. It's not just about convenience. AI is transforming industries and enhancing our capabilities in profound ways. Take healthcare, for instance. AI algorithms can now analyze medical images with greater accuracy than many human experts. These systems are trained on thousands of X-rays and MRI scans, learning to detect anomalies such as tumors at their earliest stages. This isn't just speeding up diagnosis, it's saving lives by catching diseases before they become critical. In the realm of transportation, AI is the brain behind self-driving cars. These vehicles use a combination of sensors and machine learning to navigate roads, understand traffic patterns, and make split-second decisions that help avoid accidents. What once seemed a perilous idea is swiftly becoming a safer, more efficient way to travel. The business world, too, reaps the benefits of AI. Predictive analytics help companies anticipate market trends and consumer needs, tailoring their strategies accordingly. Retailers use AI to manage inventory more efficiently, while in customer service, chatbots provide instant assistance, learning from each interaction to improve their responses. But it's not all rosy. The rise of AI brings challenges, particularly in the realm of ethics and employment. As machines become capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, from driving trucks to writing basic reports, what will this mean for job security and ethical decision-making? To wrap up, AI is no longer just a tool of tech giants. It's a pervasive force reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As we stand on the brink of this AI-enhanced era, it's crucial to navigate its benefits and challenges wisely, ensuring that technology serves humanity and not the other way around. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.